What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Auto Auction Rebuilds. Here we are at my favorite place, Copart Yard 18, 2829 Southeast 15th Street in Del City. So this is the big reveal. We're going to find out what we won today. I won a vehicle listed with hail damage, although I did notice there was some damage to the passenger side. Didn't look severe enough to concern me, but again, this is sight unseen. $550 bid. $790 I think it is out the door with Copart fees. So we're gonna go in there, get this paperwork done. Let's see what we won and then see if it drives home. It was from an insurance company, so that's a big thumbs up on that. Hail damage, that's another big thumbs up. I love things that get totaled by hail because typically there ain't gonna be a whole lot wrong with it, but it is a used car. And I will tell you, it's got 167,000 miles on the clock. But to me, things I looked for in the pictures made me feel confident this is probably going to be a decent buy for the money. Let's find out what we got. All right, boys, here she is. $550 hail damage. Look at this. We got matching Primewell tires with good tread on them. I'm not BSing you. Look at that. Look at that bad boy right there. Now there is some damage over here on this side. Like I said, I saw this in the pictures. I don't think this is really going to detract from the value all that much. We're going to look to get about 2,500, maybe 27, depending on how it drives. A little bit of damage here. The main damage though is from the hail. And I don't know if you can even see it on camera. I always do my best to show you. But if you look on there, you should be able to see there's quite a few hail dings on there. Lots of hail dings on there. All right, we're gonna pull this lot number off here. We're gonna see how she drives. 162,000 miles on the clock. Let's take a look. Is this third row? It's not third row. It's not dirty. It's actually pretty clean inside, isn't it? Look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. The window works. Yes, sir.
Around how we understand.
Turn this off. Looks like the fuel gauge doesn't work. She's pegged out. And it's like the RPM gauge. It's a common GM thing with these gauges, man. These gauges are known to go a little freaky. We're gonna buckle up, take it for a drive. All right, first bit of good news, we have cold air conditioning. We know the radio works. Let's bounce up out of here. What do you think? Good deal or bad deal? Let me adjust this mirror over here real quick. Adjust that mirror. There we go. All right. Let's do it to it, folks. I love hail damaged cars. And I love insurance company cars. I really do. I'm gonna turn this AC off. It's getting a little nippy in here. Moment of truth. Oh, shifts like a dream. Shifts like a dream. Get it up to speed here. I don't know if I want to fix that gauge cluster or not. I may just leave that to someone else. I may do this when it's just a flip. We'll just show you guys how you can take a $500 car from Copart and turn around and flip it for $2,000, $2,500, hopefully in a weekend. Yeah, she's shifting through all the gears just fine. RPMs seem like they're trying to work now. They're still way off. We're not doing $3 grand. Probably definitely want to make sure we got gas in it too. Temperature gauge is warming up nicely. Man, this thing rides excellent. Excellent. So y'all thought that I lost it. Remember? So many of you guys were complaining, and you know, it is what it is. I'm kind of learning to take it with a grain of salt now. I'm working on dealing with criticism. Let's just put it that way. So, fact of the matter is, at the end of the day, I haven't lost anything. I'm just trying to entertain you guys, man. That's all I'm trying to do. Yeah, I've lost a lot of money on some cars, and I've also made money on more cars than I've ever lost money on. And we went over that last year. I did a video talking about my taxes and how we came out 20 grand ahead. So I haven't lost it, guys. It's like riding a bicycle. I know how to buy cars. I know how to sell cars. But sometimes losing money makes for great video content. Great video content makes for a decent payday for me, you know what I mean? Hey, I'm no Tyler Hoovie, okay? I'm no Hoovie's Garage or anything. But I figure if Tyler can make the life he made, and I know he had a reality show too, but if he can make the money he makes off of YouTube, all he does is buy cars, kind of review them, talk about how much he lost, how much he spent on having them fixed. Surely I can do something similar, just with a lot cheaper cars because I don't have his kind of money. It's all entertainment, guys. Try to remember that. Yes, this is real. Yes, this is reality. Yes, this is really happening. It's not scripted. That's what makes us better than reality TV. We don't know what's going to happen. This is real. Raw. No scripts. No BS. We don't know what's going to happen. I can tell you right now, though, we're on the road with this thing having absolutely no issues aside from the fuel gauge not working and the tachometer not working. The fuel gauge may be a problem for some people. I'm going to think about that, but I really think we're just going to send it down to Weird Beard and let's flip it. Let's flip this bad boy. This is a great SUV. Let's show YouTube how to buy something for $550 and how to flip it for $2,500. All right, she made it back to the house with no issue. Man, I love hail damage cars. This thing doesn't really need anything. It runs great, it drives great. A little bit of a rattle noise from the front I found out was this right here. We'll probably put some epoxy on that. We'll get all this writing cleared off of it, and she's ready to go. Like, this is one that's literally, it's ready to send, as it is. We'll go get the title rebuilt today. And if I'm lucky, I might be able to get it down to Mike, aka Weird Beard, today. Better throw this away before I forget. I was going to close the cup holders, but it looks like they don't want to close. Okay, we're not screwing with the cup holders. Look at it. Great shape for an old Trailblazer, really is. And these are solid, man. These 4200s are solid motors. Transmissions are solid. These things will always sell. People absolutely love the Trailblazer, including me. I've had several of them. I've had them with over 250,000 miles on them, still running strong. And one thing I did notice is look at the evaporator. That's a new evaporator, right? Take a look over here. I don't know if you can see all the way down there, probably not, but deep, deep down in there is a new air compressor. So this thing has a new evaporator, new air compressor. Somebody went through and rebuilt the air conditioning on this. It's not leaking anything. The steering is tight. Okay, all of that down there, I know I'm going to get a lot of people. It's not leaking anything. Look at that puddle. That puddle is condensation. I've actually had it sitting here running for quite a while, about 30 minutes, trying to charge up the battery. The battery in this thing was dead as a doornail, and I don't really want to replace it, so we'll double check here. We let it run for a bit. Let's see if she'll fire up on her own, or if we're going to have to replace that battery. If I could get this zip tie out of the way. There you go. Fires right up. How about that? That's a win. It's a $2,500 car all day long, man. All right, short, sweet. That's gonna be it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's pickup SUV pick from Copart. Just wanted to show you guys, just because I've been losing money doesn't mean I still don't have it. I still got it. I'm not going to lose it, but sometimes the entertainment value is worthy of losing a few dollars on a vehicle. So I'm gonna get out of here. I got things to do, and allergies are literally kicking my behind, so I'm having to cut scenes as I have to sneeze and stuff. This video is really probably gonna suck, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. Now stay tuned, because we're literally gonna give it a bath, send it, and we'll come back when it's sold and talk about the numbers, see what kind of a profit, or if any, maybe we won't make a profit. We'll see what kind of a profit we made off of it. So until next time, I'm out of here. I am leaving tomorrow. Well, tomorrow, I'm actually, I don't know when you'll see this video, but I am leaving Thursday afternoon to Mississippi to go pick up the supercharged 2003 Harley Davidson pickup truck with Justin from Superior Auto Flips. Go check him out. Go comment on one of his videos and say, Randy sent me over here. Go check out Justin at Superior Auto Flips. We're going to Mississippi to go pick up this truck, and then we're going to come back and do a review of the supercharged Harley. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very, very soon in the next one.